Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can change the language you speak with your computer, since the computer only listens to English and French language, so if yours is in English or French, you can shift to the other language. So to do that, first open Settings. Then go on Time and Language. Then this are results you will get. So go on the left on this buttons, then go on the last option called Speech. So as you can see, we have so many speech settings, microphone and Microsoft Voice. So simply click on Speech Language, then change language to French. So now your computer's language has been updated to French, but for those who had French, it's been shifted to English. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.